Nirmala Kenyam, Biakamal ka Nuer online TV channel, Male Nueri. Raja Banlingwa me Raj Mishalat Kiir Mayadit, warning Michetop Chaja Cabinet County La Kwardi Nika, Ki Kwardi ni SSPDF, Ki South Sudan People Defense Force. She officer Rika Shaka Queen warning. Jandana balingwa seme ka dwobara na shelat keje en go take mission look mugora no ba kula lar ne de kontin bos ke de ni re wich ka so Sudan no gora jen wo ba je nyak yekel ko di ente ka ngachandan en chalat ka ta da en chalat keje no ken yam ban je linga thoknath gwa seme me ban linga ler misha ngun re wich ka so Sudan no cha kwarde ni shaka lalar ramdan la defense minister cha kwarde ni shaka lalar kana point de ni bo shaka queen warning and go take mi bi appel cha South Sudan people defense force shaka joga no chwara kwan de ni chwara jakok chwara kwan chwara jakok rar ko tangwes mi kwan ben tene la nong no dong bukan okok shaka kule joga no chwara jakok kama waran jek ke waran kep ko kwende ni arama mo ba je kef ke ba je yen ku me South Sudan ko ge je no dong te ni langar ke nying de ni tin kon de which South Sudan de je kula gang ana mo shi kwen self ke me yadit chara je me je kwen she ramadan la minister defense chara je me je kula kam South Sudan people defense force and wo en ramme mo wukwan wi ko mala kwende ni baje yikap ko ngot ke baje yen baje chu kwende ka tok English gwasme. The Prime Minister warned soldiers against selling food consignment. The Minister of Defense has preemptively warned South Sudan People Defense Force SSPDF officer against selling food supply donated by President Salva Kiir, stating that those cut will be held accountable. General Sholton Balog made the order while addressing troops at the Army headquarters in Bilpam on Monday, ahead of expected arrival of 200 trucks loaded with food supply from Uganda. Wato belerma ko wate ko kwanu banong ki kwanu banong re wich ka Uganda la torbiyel de kudangro tubi kwan bikadinong titiang tiba kam dini. Kwa la tumno wone gani de konen la kwa de ni kan de mi kwan mi chup cha gor no take mi ba lele kan no dong bukan kwan bukan kok cha la no more a warning cha gor is said 40 truck have arrived so far kani ci torbiyel jan ngwan ci tung chup with 30 more expected in the coming days kani torbiyel ko keni chup jan dang diok bug ben ka gwasen be ki ko kornintin be. We do not want to see an officer or non-commissioned officer selling these food supplies in the market. Kenichine gorno kwena me bajo kwak we charke bajo kwak tu ken gwado wa jiktene shebe gwa. Jeka jeka rami officer, jeka rami shia officer, we ka South Sudan cha gorno ba kwende ni bajo kwak we char. If you are caught selling these supplies, mu waji jek koga kan nying de ni kwande ni, you will be held accountable. Tibalo kiraj majet jetup. Mwa jiga ya kogo kwende ni ngwasma wa ba yi kap ke ba ji yan ka ngotin kon tin cha yan tin yan ke denye. These goods were donated to us by President Kiir from his office to help the army. Our goal is to obtain 200 truckloads with food supply that have come via Uganda. Janu kana me nguna kuäärni President Kiir Mayadit kanung ka jahre wiki Uganda ko bukan torbiyel kudang roti buka kon lok koni kon la denye. It is not clear if the advance warning was issued because army officer previously sold such food consignment. Te ro cha kolar go cha kwal kwich mi kwiko cha kweni nyam cha ka kwa ne ke cha ga chamane te kon la kwar denye ne ka gwa sedan. Dong jen mo kwa warning kwa le sub ko je ko kweni nyam cha kon ngun wa cha ja dak pin ne kon la officer jen go ko mo chero de nyok. On his part, Chief of Defense Force General Dr. Paul Nang Majok reaffirmed that the 40 trucks of Xertian contain a various essential supply, with additional 30 trucks arriving through Nimulo. Kani kan torbel jen wana ko kienten ngot kan torbel ti jandang dok ko kienten ngot la chen ni torbel jen baro kan te kan ka kwak te radian bo to go to the nying day. Basically, we are receiving 40 truck of different items. Subsequently, we will be receiving another 30, which are receiving normally, to bring the total to 70, and the process is going to continue every month. We will be receiving a quantity more than this. He also confirmed that in Northern Apanal, the army has received 10,000 bags of sorghum, each weighing 90 kilometers. Kenere wika Northern Apanal, mi mangi kone Great Apanal, wa shi de ni chiga kap, cha ka kam chwal to job kinit kinawal, mo lo teram wa en chwal kel take kilogram to shop wajan bangwan lo ka chwal dit. Chika 100 kilogram but 90 kilogram. Nyu do chicken jagbo go ke. Agenda na shala na mon wo chaguru no en kuloga bangun kum Uganda through ngare donation maybe ka kirma yadi chaguru no bete de maybe a cock officer a normal kirama shia de chaguru by in market janan go de nyaye kelbete mal.